All right, so this tutorial will walk you through how to sign up for a college campus tour. So we always tell students how important it is to get out there and go to the actual campuses to get a true feel of what college life may be like. So students in their junior and senior year each are able to receive 5 excused absences for visiting college campuses. So again, 5 years junior year, 5 the senior year. And they have to fill out an attendance form through the attendance office. It's called a college visit form, and there's certain steps that have to be followed. However, they will become excused absences. So it's really great for our students to get out there, have an excused absence, so not be worrying about truancy or anything like that. So students should definitely get out there and visit the campuses. I also want to note it's important to go out and visit campuses when school is in session. So we try to tell students to avoid going over holiday or spring breaks or even the summer because it's really not a true and accurate feel for a campus environment during those times. So I want to walk you through quickly how to register for a campus tour. And this varies from website to website and obviously college to college. Some colleges have a button right on their homepage that says visit our campus. Others you kind of have to click through a couple different places. So it's going to be a bit of trial and error for each different college, but I will walk you through how to at least do Westchester's. So if you are interested in attending Westchester and want to learn more about it and get out there and visit the campus, what you'll do is go to the college's website. As you can see, here we are. And you're going to go to the About tab. Now, they'll show you all these little options that you can go to, but I want to bring you guys to the Visit Us option. All right. When you click on Visit Us, they have all different types of tours. So maybe you want to go on a big group tour. Maybe you want to do a self-guided and virtual tour. Are you coming from out of state? Well, for you guys watching this right now, you'll obviously be in state. So we're going to go ahead with the daily tours and information sessions. All right. So when I click on that, it will pull in all of the upcoming tours in the near future, and I can go month by month. But the next ones that are going to be coming up are on Monday, February 4th from 10 to 12. It is an undergraduate information session. So you'll go here, and if you click on this box to register, it will tell you a little bit about how long your total visit may be so you can plan accordingly and give you the registration information right here. So you're just going to want to go ahead and input your name, your email address, verify the email address. Just as a side note, it's always good to use a personal email address because, as you guys know, our Owen J. Roberts email accounts for students sometimes have we block some of the external sites, so just be mindful of that. So we always recommend that students utilize their personal email addresses. So once you put all that information in, you can simply click register. Again, this varies from website to website and college to college, but you get the general gist of how you can go ahead and register for a campus tour.